Good morning, everyone. My name is Sudhir. I'm studying class reception. My school name is Dedicated High School, Service in Rajasthan. This is the smart parking system using the Arduino Uno. Smart parking system is also called automatic system. It is vehicles and using ultrasonic sensor. This system is main user ultrasonic sensor and vehicles present on Arduino Uno microcontroller. Is an Arduino microcontroller and the parking slots availability and displayed to show users. And the available parking Arduino Uno microcontroller, the process of the data. And components required. The components required Arduino Uno, jumping wire, servo motor, ultrasonic sensors, and ultrasonic sensors 4 pins, and LED bulbs. 3 LED bulbs. Green color LED bulb, yellow color LED bulb, red color LED bulb. And this is 3 ultrasonic sensors. This is the gate, stop gate, automatically stop gates. And this is the model of smart parking system using this Arduino Uno. Components explanation Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is the main controller of parking system and has read the display from ultrasonic sensor. Arduino Uno controls LCD displays, LED bulbs, and servo motor and buzzer and gate. All the main that is Arduino Uno. Component ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor takes the SR over. It present value gives its distance gives present value is slots are empty. And if the gives present value is slots are occupied. If this is the 3 objects in vehicles and these objects like vehicles, car, bus, and this is the power supply. This is the power supply. This is connecting wires. And this is the core like object 15. One slot is full. Shows green light. And the second object also is full. Shows yellow light. This is the other object. The object is occupied and they have no place. They type on. The gate are not opening. The power is also supplied, but the gate are not opening. This is the low budget and the response LED. This is the decline. The yellow LED bulb, red LED bulb, and that's servo motor. Servo motor. This is not servo motor, and this is jumping vessel. Servo motors controls entry gate and opens when slot is available. Closes when parking is full. And working. If parking is full, LCD shows parking is full and LED shows red color LED bulb. And if slot is available, the LCD shows 3 many slots are available. And open gate automatically. The gate is open automatically. And this project advantages. This project advantages is traffic, reduce traffic congestion, save time and fuel, easy to implement. This is not a high cost, this is a low cost of budget and can be upgraded with IoT or RFID. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Jason Master.